What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So this year's Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is still fresh and people have already started looking forward to the next year's Galaxy S23 Ultra. Even many concept creators have designed the renders of the smartphone, which show a more futuristic design. The new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will receive an angular body and a different design of the camera unit on the rear panel. In general, its appearance is much in line with the design of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Like the previous generation Galaxy S22 Ultra, the new product received support for a proprietary S Pen stylus. Recently, an emerging concept inventor has created the completely new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra design in stunning green color. Now the same designer has appeared with the new 3D design of the upcoming smartphone. Besides green, the creator revealed two more pleasant color options including black and pink. All three color variants look amazing in their 360-degree look, as you can see in the video. While the design continues to adopt the Galaxy S22 Ultra like Galaxy S Plus Galaxy Note combo with a boxy shape, there seems a massive camera upgrade. The creator has scrambled the camera system in a 2+2 form factor instead of 3+1. The primary camera and wide-angle lens are placed vertically, while the two telephoto sensors are placed exactly parallel. One lens is placed alongside the LED flash. The front sides, on the other hand, has the same punch hole and curved edges. According to the latest news, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will get a camera with a record high resolution of 200 megapixels. At the same time, the device will use the third generation of a 200 megapixel module. Besides these, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 3D render also show the right side has a volume rocker and a power key, and the S Pen can come out from the bottom left side, which also has a SIM tray, USB Type-C port, and a speaker grill. It is expected that the smartphone will be equipped with a 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED 3X screen with curved edges on the sides, QHD Plus resolution, and an image refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. A very smooth frequency adaptation from 1 to 120 Hz will more perfect. The new 5000 mAh battery supports that will support fast wide charging up to 65 watts and wireless up to 35 watts. It is expected that the smartphone will receive an in-display front camera called UDC, the flagship single-chip system Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 12 or 16 GB of RAM, and 128GB to 1TB of internal flash memory will become the hardware basis of the smartphone. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.